Hey guys, so we're going over a few things. I get guys calling saying, hey, C-clip fell out, destroyed my cylinder, and they get upset because they think that these are faulty. So what commonly happens, so you've got a few different types of clips. You have some that don't have these little hooks. Polini sells these, and I advise guys if they're going to do a bunch of building to get these because they're really easy to clamp onto. But basically, if you take these clips, if you squeeze them too hard, you end up bending these and you kind of make them oval, and they're eventually going to fall out and they're going to destroy your cylinder. So with these, take your time, and I would get a bag of extra because you put them in wrong, and there, hear that? They're gone. I'll never find that clip. So keep a bag. Don't use used ones either. Don't be super cheap and skimp out on something that probably costs 10 cents a piece or 50 cents a piece or whatever. So anyways, now that clip's gone, these are the best. These are made in 10 and 12 millimeters. So you got this groove in here. What you want to do basically before I do any work, so this is going to be sitting on the crank, your motor's all put together. Make sure that this pin and everything is oiled up. So this is going to be on the crank, your crank's going to be on. You're going to have, I always do one clip. I put one clip in the piston first before I put on the motor. That way you're only making yourself struggle one time with just one side. So oil everything up nice and well, 2-stroke oil. And then what you want to do, everybody has different ways of doing things, but I'll show you how I do it. Some people may complain or say they have a better idea. That's how easy it should be. So as you can see, it didn't go in the groove all the way. So this is commonly there. So I just pushed it in, it snapped in. So see, it's in the groove all the way. What I do, and I barely, you see I didn't have to stress it or tweak it. I take this and I spin it around just to make sure it's in that groove. And you don't want to have any part of that clip sticking out here. But yeah, it's just a good measure to spin this thing around just to make sure it's in 100%. It's very important. If you squish this, if you tweak it one way or the other, it's going to come out, it's going to wreck your cylinder. So obviously there's going to be one on both sides. Second thing, see this pin here? That little pin has to be centered on your ring. If you try to slide it over, this happens a lot. If you slide it over and you install this in your cylinder, this is going to be too tall, and you're going to do one of two things. You're going to break your ring or you're going to crack your skirt, and I've seen it happen both times. So, both ways. So you want to make sure this little detent is right there. And that's what's going to get your ring to sit all the way flush, and it's going to keep it in its proper position. You're going to have that on 2 places on your piston. Feel it coming up right there. There it is. So what I typically do is, you can get different tools, but I typically just, so again, oil this up really well. I take this and I hold it, my fingers here, because there's going to be 2 recesses for your cylinder essentially on the sides. And I slide the skirt over to where it just slides over this one, and I bottom it out on the next ring, and I make sure it's in the right position. It'll go right in, and then I make sure that the bottom one is located in the right spot, and then I just work it and it just slides right down. If you have to force this into your cylinder, you're doing something wrong. So this is, if you do that, you're not going to break your rings. Your C-clips aren't going to fall out if you follow these instructions. Again, oil this up really well. You can't really use too much on all this. So yeah, use the right tools. Carter loaned me his super old snap-ons, which are awesome. Make sure it's all oiled up well. Make sure that you locate these pins. Where is it? Anyways, make sure you locate the pins when these rings go on. And these rings, people say that they break and they this and they that. They're strong, okay? See if I can get a better look at that detent. So there it is. That's a detent. You want to make sure this gap is over that detent. So this is how I typically put rings on. Everybody has a different method, but I just do that, snap into place. So guys breaking rings, you're doing something wrong. They're really strong. Just take your time and do it right. So grab yourself some good clips, because again, they fly out when they're gone, and we know how it goes. You want to put it together, and you end up using used ones which are worn and they'll fall out. I have never, the last 6 or 7 years of doing this, I have never had a C-clip fall out of a motor because I use this process and I don't squeeze them too much. So I see it all the time. Every week somebody's got a C-clip coming out. It just rides up and down here, destroys the whole piston cylinder. If you even break chunks of your piston off, like go down to your bottom end, and then you likely need to pull it apart and clean it or replace it. So simple stuff, but that should help guys putting this together, and you should never have to force this into the cylinder. It'll just slide right in, just kind of rock it back and forth, and it'll go right in. So yeah, good luck. Don't break your stuff. Take your time to do it right.